I'm trying to take out my nuts about my steering stem, my bolts. Watch. Yeah. See, all right. Watch this. It goes to the right, then it goes up all the way to the top, then it goes to the left. Oh, hush! I'm making a video. Yeah? Be quiet. I'll throw you. No, don't. I'll throw you the ball later. Shut up. No, don't bark at me. I want to hear it. I'm sick and tired of arguing with the dog. And look at this. Look how crooked it is. It goes, when I'm trying to unloosen it, it goes like this in a complete circle.